take your earphone to one hand and your other hand make it like this, and this part place it here like this, and now you have to crisscross your earphone to these two fingers like this. See, one, this finger, and then this finger, this finger, this finger, like this, like you're making the shape of 8, and go almost halfway of your earphone. Now hold the middle side tightly and pull the whole thing from your fingers like this, and now this part you have to twist it like this to the middle point, and at last you have to enter this port through this hole like this and pull it tightly, and yep, you are done. It will remain all day long like this. Let me show it again with my data cable. So make this hand like this and keep it here like this, and crisscross this finger, then this finger, this finger, and this finger, and again, and now wrap it to the middle point, and then this part pull it through the hole like this, and this is it. Neat and tidy and very easy.